Okay, so let me say this. This unit from Nadula hair is absolutely positively stunning. I feel so beautiful in this. The lace is phenomenal. Like absolutely positively phenomenal. I think that you can definitely wear her glueless. She really provided. I made her super big, but obviously you can wear her down, wear her more sleek, put a little product in her. I chose not to do that because this is a vibe. Do you see this moving like this? Ooh, 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 Nadula. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed.
Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Well, hello, honey boo. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Intisar. By all means, call me Zar Zar Galore. That's what we coming through as. And I am here with another one from Nadula Hair. Be confident, be bold, be you. Okay, so we're back with the Nadula Hair 150% density Kinky curly human hair wig. Okay, she is a 13x4. I already went in and darkened her, don't judge it. Okay, she's a 13x4 lace. Okay, she has 2 combs on the side. Get into it. One in the back, lace in the back as well. Adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. Now again, this is a kinky curly human hair wig with a pre-plucked hairline. Okay, the reason why I darkened it because I already tried this on and I wanted to really get a good idea of what she was working with. Nadula Hair so graciously provided us with a wig bag, which I cannot find. That's not unlike me. They came through with a bag. Okay, and this is the Nadula bag. We have some goodies, a bonnet, which I'm liking this new bonnet situation, y'all. A bonnet, ooh, and a edge wrap, which we love as well. We also have the silk edge wrap from Nadula Hair and some wig caps, which we cannot get enough of. So let me go on ahead and get into her. What I really want to try this time around is wearing her glueless. Okay, so we're gonna try and throw her on, see what she's working with. I'm gonna wet her down a bit because you see the curls out the pack look a little bit crunch and munch, but I think we can loosen these up a bit. I just think they need to be hydrated. So I'm gonna just throw this on to see what we're working with. So what I've been using lately are zigzag scissors. Can you guys see that? Okay, and it kind of helps that straight line that, you know, people usually use like a razor or something like that, but I've been using the zigzag scissors just to give it a more natural look around the perimeter of the hair. Okay, so just so you guys can see, can you guys see that? Do it this way. Just so you guys can see the zigzag. Can you see the zigzag in there? Yeah, a little bit. Kind of gives it a better way to lay, especially if we're going to try and wear her glueless. Look how pretty that is. Look at that lace, honey. So she's already kind of, okay, all I did was pull the curl out. We do kind of expect that because these curls haven't been hydrated, but look how beautiful that looks. Because if we don't have to wear no damn Johnny John, we're not. How about that? I'm just going to go on through and wear her up. chose not to style this unit for many reasons. I really wanted us to test out the functionality of this beautiful pre-plucked unit. Like the text, the hair, the lace, absolutely stunning. Okay, I pulled it up on my own. But like, honestly, you could wear her glueless. Like if you just want to grab her and go, she is that kind of unit, okay? Like she's stunning. And I love the color of the unit. I love the texture of the hair. The hair did shed a bit. However, this is very curly hair. You got to keep that in mind when you're wearing these kind of units. Now, Nadula hair really came through with this one. I'm going to turn around. I did not style her, but like I said, we wanted to get into this lace, honey. Y'all was telling us that this was pre-plucked and stuff and all that. You know what I mean? I'm going to start putting other jumpers to the test. Y'all don't get to just tell us that and then we just got to like, oh, okay, we believe y'all, but we going to glue this bitch down anyway. No. Can this bitch stay up on this heat or not? However, don't get to tussling. You heard me in the back? Don't get to tussling, catching the Holy Ghost. Don't get to riding them rides. Don't be doing none of that because this thing will come right up off their head. You be salty. Your little wig be flying back like that and that ain't cute. That ain't cute for nobody. So let me turn around. Very thick unit. The texture of the hair is stunning. Do you guys see any tracks? I'm feeling around for myself. I'm into this. I think it's giving big, sexy, Diana Ross. You know what I mean? Spend money, 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 money on me. I love this. I love this. Now, full disclosure, I'm probably going to style this up for a little ponytail in her, something like that. I just didn't feel like doing that today. I didn't think we needed to. I think we needed to test out whether or not Mother was glueless, and she came through glueless. So if you have not already, but still, take a look at Nadula hair. They're having a lot of sales. We're coming up on Mother's Day. So a lot of things going on their site. You guys really need to check them out. This is a beautiful unit. The texture of this hair, the lace is impeccable. I have nothing else to say, Nadula hair. We'll see you on the other side. Bye.